Good morning, everyone. It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? So here's an update. An update on how things are. First, I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. Uh, I hope you enjoy the content you see here. It's gonna be a mix of everything. There will always be a title of what it is. So if you don't want to watch it and you're into something else, you know, so be it. Um, Also, welcome back to everyone that has come back. I appreciate all of your support and you sticking around even when I'm not here. So, let's do a little update. Um, Life has been crazy. Y'all know about my son, and you know, he keeps me busy and he keeps us busy. Um, yeah, there's that. He's back in school. Went back to school yesterday from the winter break, Christmas break. I hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you guys have has had a great start to your new year. If you haven't, I will definitely keep you in my prayers with it. I have a couple friends that are going through it right now, and I'm praying for them and hoping that things get better for them. So, all right. Well, I guess let's start with um might as well start with uh my getting healthy journey. I have not lost any more weight. Actually, I put on the weight I lost and a couple more pounds. Um Life has just been like that. It has been an emotional roller coaster with my son. And I have been off my mental health medicines. I am now back on them, thank God. I am trying to work through that. And this year, it's about relying more on God than on my medications. Because at some point, I don't want to be taking prescription medications. But you know that is a God thing, and whatever happens, happens. So yeah, so my health, my weight loss journey, getting healthy journey has not been the best, and that's okay because life happens. You know, we go up and down, we go back and forth, and we gain some and we lose some. And I guess, I guess what it comes down to is I was very ambitious, and I still am, to getting healthy, but it was more focused on I need to look better. And there is truth to that, but it should be more about just being healthy overall. Um, Obviously, I'm not crazy about how I look, but that is what it is. Okay. Um, so today I decided that, I need to get back to things. And it starts with food for me because I'm an emotional eater. I know there's quite a few people out there that are emotional eaters. So the first thing I did was stop telling myself I can't have something. We all have cravings. Um, it's not about having that one thing that you are craving, it's about how much of that one thing you're eating. Um, so that is where I am focusing is my food, the things that I eat. I'm not telling myself I can't have something. I tell myself that, you know, I need to be more cautious about what I'm eating and how much of it I'm eating. Yes, I will be eating a lot healthier than what I was, but it's going to be a good healthier. I'm going to eat the things I love, just, making a healthier version of it. So, um, there is that bit. Now, the other bit is, as you guys know, I have arthritis. It's hard to move around. Um, but I am. I will. I have been seeing some chair exercises, and I'm like, dude, that looks like fun. That is something that I can do especially right now with Arthur in full effect. That will help me stay on track, and hopefully, once I lose some of this weight, um, I won't be so restricted. So, um, and it starts with doing the little things like, little projects around your house, a corner that you need to clean out. Like my house, I always have a corner that needs cleaned out, always. And if you've been here for a while, you already know. Um, so that's where I'm starting as far as movement is I'm doing little things that I've needed to do for a while, and I'm doing it, which has got me a going to keep doing little projects. So I feel good about it. It's been a very productive morning. I've done a little meal prepping, not a whole lot, um, because um, I'm a mood eater. So um, it's something I might be hungry for today, a couple days from now, it might not sound so good. So I don't do a week of meal prepping. I do like a couple days, and I'm good. Um, so yeah, I'm starting to eat healthier and I'm moving around a lot more. I'm taking it slow. That is the key to anything. We get all gun ho and we jump in it, and then we just kind of get burnt out. We get tired of doing this, get tired of doing that. So I think just taking it slow, doing little thing, little at a time, um, is a good way to get started. For those of you watching this, that do want to get healthier, I'd say that's a great place to start. Now, I will be doing health wise videos, and I say that I hmm, okay, I've gotten emails, not emails. I've gotten 2 emails and some comments about, you started beading and now you don't bead. Oh, you was doing paper crafting and you're not doing that. Now you're doing, healthy stuff and books and all of that. I could make different channels up, but I'm not going to. It's all going to be here. And when I make a video, I will put it as the title of what it is. So if you don't want to watch it, you can move on and watch something else. You know. So you're going to find a variety of things here. So when I do a updated video on health wise, I will make sure that in the title of the video it will say, healthy journey or something like that. That way if somebody's on here that is just about crafting, you know what that video is. If you don't want to watch it, you can wait for the next video or however that's done. So I'll put that out there like that. So yeah, that's health wise. It is what it is, and I will get back on track and I will get healthier. It's going to be slow, but I'm good with that. Now to crafting. I started a series. I was very ambitious. I should never start something because usually it falls by the wayside. I've done 2 videos on journal making. I am looking to make videos on, ephemera for that journal, which is sitting over here to the side. Nothing else has been done to it. I will pick up at some point where I left off. Um, when I can get to it, I'm hoping here soon I can do a video on ephemera or something. So, yeah, the crafting is just kind of faltered. Things got a little crazy and hectic. And as you know, my family is my first priority. Everything here is second. So, I'm hoping to have some videos coming up that is craft related. Um, Now, I know you've seen some book um, content, and that's because, first and foremost, I'm a reader. I was a reader before I started crafting. I love reading, I love books, and I just want to share books that I have read, books I recommend, books I probably wouldn't recommend. Um, so there will be bookish content on here. Um, as always, I do hauls, not a lot, some. So you'll find a little bit of everything here on this channel, and I'm looking to get it back and going. But as for now, that's kind of where things are at, you guys. It's been a little hectic. Dude's been a little much. And I have to put him first. I will never apologize for that. He is first. My kids are first. My grandbabies. Them, oh, they're so beautiful. I don't share too much about them because, you know, not because I'm not proud of them, but because I don't want to overstep and share something that my daughter don't would rather me not share. So it's about respect for my daughter and her husband, which he's fantastic. Just absolutely love her husband, Adam. He is an amazing, amazing guy. They're not technically married yet, but they will be. So, and you know, I like the sound of him being her husband. So I don't share too much about my grand beauties because of that reason. But yeah, a lot of things has just been going on, and again, I'm hoping to get back to it. I'm hoping to share some videos, do some more face-to-face videos as far as book wise. Um, yeah, so that's what you can expect this year. Um, weight loss, healthier videos, crafting videos, book videos, just general uh, update on things videos. I'm wanting to do coffee talk on Sundays again. Um, that's not a definite thing, but I'm hoping to get back to that. I would love to get my dear friend Gail, more of a sister, to come on here with me and just hang out and do some crafting. Um, we'll see how that goes. You know, not that she wouldn't, but life is lifing. So, but anyway, guys, that's a short video. That's what's up. Life went crazy. Dude's doing the much. Um, and with the holidays and just life. Nothing's been put on here, but a few shorts of books or whatever. So hopefully we'll have some different things coming up, different contents. My channel is a variety. It's a variety show. That's what we're calling it, a variety show. Because I do many different things, and I share many different things, and I might as well just have it on just on one channel instead of more. So if you don't want to watch it, you can move on to whatever video I upload next to watch it. So yeah, that's what's up, guys. That's what's going on. I thought I'd give you an update. I hope you guys are doing great and have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time.